Dr. Beasley's Fabric Coating Kit is a hydrophobic, UV-resistant ceramic coating system for fabric. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Inside the kit, you'll find a 4-ounce bottle of fabric coating prep and a 4-ounce bottle of fabric coating. Beyond that, you'll also need several clean, dry microfiber towels. For the purposes of this video, we'll be coating a convertible top, but keep in mind fabric coating also works great on fabric seats and floor mats. Before application, ensure that your fabric surface is clean and dry. Let's begin. Step 1. Thoroughly shake the fabric coating prep bottle and spray the surface, holding the bottle 6 inches away. This removes excess residue and provides anchor points for bonding. Step 3. Gently wipe the sprayed surface with a clean, dry towel and let dry. Step 4. Now take the fabric coating bottle and shake thoroughly. Spray the surface, again holding the bottle 6 inches away. Apply evenly to ensure complete coverage. Step 5. Let the fabric cure undisturbed for at least 1 hour. To keep your coating performing at a high level, be sure to vacuum and clean with Dr. Beasley's carpet and upholstery cleaner as needed. Your application is now complete. With the coating applied, your fabric will repel liquids, block contaminants, and resist UV damage.